In this CPA Marketing paid traffic tutorial, I'm going to show you how to launch your very first profitable CPA marketing campaign using one of my secret traffic sources. This secret traffic source has incredibly high quality traffic, and yet it is super cheap. Now before I get started, please do me a favor and smash the like button below, because this helps me create even more awesome videos just like this one. And also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time I publish a brand new video. Now, the very first thing you want to do when launching your first profitable campaign is head over to a website called mybid.io. Now, mybid.io is a fully managed multi-format advertising network with multiple advertising formats, including push and pop on the traffic. Now, they actually have a total of 7 advertising formats with a built-in tracking tool, which means this is a great network for beginners. They also have a built-in anti-fraud system, which means that you're gonna only purchase high-quality traffic and not bot traffic. They also have their own database of advertising banners and texts, fast moderation, which means that your advertising campaign will be launched very fast. Upon signing up, you're also going to receive a personal account manager, which is super helpful to help you launch your first campaign. So once again, this network is great for beginners if you want to dive into paid ads. So make sure to sign up now and let's move forward. Upon signing up, you're going to see your MyBid dashboard. So on the left side, you have your home page, campaigns, stats, and benefits. Now, to promote CPA and affiliate offers using paid advertising, you're gonna have to top up your balance. And to do so, all you have to do is click on this green button and you can top up money via Paxum, Tether, Capitalist, or your Visa debit card. And also make sure to use the promo code BLACK. I'm gonna pop it up on screen right now, and you will receive a 15% bonus to your first deposit. You can also find it in the description below this video. So now that we have an advertising network that we're gonna use, now it's time to select a CPA offer. And a great place to find high converting CPA offers is a network called Golden Goose. This is one of my favorite CPA networks online. They have awesome offers, super high quality network. They've been around for a long time. So this is one of the networks that I recommend to promote offers from. Now, before selecting an offer from Golden Goose, you want to do a bit of research of what verticals work best with MyBid. And as of right now, these are the verticals that are converting the best for MyBid's traffic. So sweepstake offers, utility offers, dating, adult, webcam, crypto, finance, gambling, betting, and Nutra. So these are the verticals that I would recommend to promote using MyBid. And luckily for us, Golden Goose has all of these verticals. So what I would do to select an offer from Golden Goose is basically click on best rating. I would sort these by best rating, and then I would just take a look at these top offers that are top converting on this network as of right now. Now, what I found works very well with MyBid's traffic are adult offers. But I cannot show adult offers and adult content in this video, so I'm gonna select a mainstream offer. So what I'm gonna do inside this video is select a sweepstake offer, all right? So this is something like win an iPhone, win cash, and similar. And the best performing offer in the sweepstake vertical on Golden Goose as of right now is this one right here in the geolocation South Africa. So I'm gonna click on view details and get link. And now I want to double check if it supports pop on the traffic. So as you can see, traffic types, make sure that push notification traffic and pop on the traffic is not in this section, because that is the advertising format that we're going to use to promote this offer. And since it's not listed here, then we are good to go. Also, you can see that they're going to give you traffic targeting requirements. For instance, this is for 3G LTE mobile traffic. You're gonna get carriers, language, landing pages, all right, and promotion restrictions. So you wanna double check, make sure that you're gonna get also target information, which is gonna help us get more conversions. So once we have an offer, you wanna click on get link. And now this step is very important because this is our promo URL, but we need to do a couple of things here before we start creating our campaign. And that is selecting our traffic source. Now, luckily for us, using Golden Goose, it's very, very easy. All you have to do is select your traffic source. You can search it up here. So I'm gonna search for MyBid. And it's automatically gonna give you all of the tracking parameters. Now what you need to do is enter your click ID value from MyBid so that all conversions get transferred over to MyBid. And to get your click ID parameter from MyBid, all you have to do is click on new campaign, Okay, and as you can see, this is your postback URL. And the click ID value from my bid is external ID. So we're gonna copy this, including the brackets. Okay, head back over to Golden Goose, and you wanna paste it inside the site value. And as you can see, it has been added up here inside the promo URL, and now this is our final destination URL. If you want to do a test conversion, you can just copy the entire postback, paste it inside here, and click on test conversion to double check that your tracking is set up correctly. Now you can click on finish, and congrats, your tracking is set up. So now that we have our advertising network, MyBid, we have a CPA offer from Golden Goose, and we have successfully set up tracking using MyBid's click ID parameter, now it's time to start working on the campaign. So once again, head back over to MyBid and click on new campaign. Now here is the first campaign step. So the campaign name is Sweepstakes, Telecom, and this is South Africa. Now for the ad type, we're going to use pop on the traffic because this is by far the easiest advertising format to use for beginners. You don't have to create any creatives at all. All you have to do is enter your targeting information, set your budget, and that's it. So I'm gonna click on pop under. For the pricing model, we're gonna go CPC, which means cost per click. And now the click URL. Now to find your click URL, head back over to Golden Goose, all right? And you want to click on promo URL of the campaign that you have just created. You want to copy it, all right? And there it is right there. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to go back to my bid, and this is the click URL, the final destination URL that your traffic is going to land on. Now you want to click on targeting, and here you're going to enter all of your targeting information. Now to get a bit of targeting information, just head over to the offer info page. And here you will find the geolocation, which is South Africa. All right, so we can enter inside here, South Africa. Cities, you can leave this blank because we don't have any stats just yet. You want to enter your cities. Once you have some stats, once you have some conversions, then you can later optimize and scale. For the operating systems, this offer works with no desktop. So I would just click on mobile traffic. So for the OS types, click on mobile. For the browsers, this offer does not give us any browser targeting information or browser version information. All they give us is the connection type and the carrier and the language. So that's what we're gonna use. So I'm gonna head back to my bid. So for the OS families, you can see that you can select Android, iOS, Windows Phone, BlackBerry, but we don't have any targeting information regarding the OS families and versions. So I'm just gonna leave this blank. We're gonna test all of these. The same goes with browser families, right? So as you can see, and browser versions. So accept language, English, of course. For additional limits, usage type and IP ranges, you can leave this blank. Now for the capping, this means that you can limit the amount of times one single person views or clicks on the advertisement. So I usually like to do clicks, 1 per 24 hours. Time range, you can just run all of the days and all of the hours. Now you can move on to the next step, that is creatives. Now, since this is a pop under campaign, we don't have to use any creatives. You would enter your creatives, your title, description, and images if you were to create a push notification campaign. So we can move to black, white list. So here you can blacklist or whitelist specific IDs. You can always reach out to your personal manager and see what he recommends. I'm just gonna leave this blank for now. Now for the bid by source, you can enter your source IDs and bid per each specific source. But what I like to do is head over to budget, set my budget, total budget. I usually do $200, daily budget of 50, right? So this means that this campaign would run for 4 days, but this is completely up to you based on your budget, how much you're willing to spend. You can also do something like 100 and you could do $25 per day. And for the bid, this is how much you're willing to spend per one impression of your pop under advertisement. So what I would do here is reach out to my personal manager and ask him what is the recommended bid for the geolocation South Africa and pop under traffic, and he would give you a specific number, a specific CPC. And that is what you would enter inside here. Now I already reached out to my manager before recording this video, and the recommended bid for mobile traffic in the South Africa geolocation using pop under traffic is 0.003 cents per ad impression. So this would be my bid. So once you have selected all your information, your tracking link, make sure to double check your postback URL. And if you entered all of your targeting information, you've set your budget, now it's time to launch the campaign. So all you have to do now is click on the green button, create campaign, and it's going to undergo moderation. Now this takes usually a couple of hours, sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. So this is the best way to make money with paid ads, but you have to dive in, you have to select that offer and test campaigns, because CPA marketing is all about testing new offers and testing new campaigns. So make sure to click the link below this video description, sign up to MyBid, use the coupon code to get an additional 15% bonus to your first deposit. Select your first offer and dive right in. Reach out to your personal manager. He's going to be super helpful. He's going to point you in the right direction. So use this to your advantage. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want more videos using MyBid, then make sure to leave a comment below. I would be more than happy to launch a campaign with them and make a case study for you guys. So once again, if you're interested in that, make sure to leave a comment down below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.